30 million people in the U.S. suffer from the pain caused by osteoarthritis. Together, we can help relieve a lot of that pain. Introducing the Game Changer, a precisely engineered low-profile knee brace that is as effective as it is affordable. While replacement surgery is a critical option that sometimes cannot be avoided,
That's it?
It is that simple.
the Game Changer is a conservative option that offers patients ease and comfort. And it's simple to put on.
How does that feel now?
It feels really good.
Okay, straighten out.
When an
your
OA
hands.
brace makes sense for your patients, they no longer have to leave your office empty-handed. It's time to get your patients back in the game. At Ovation Medical, our primary role is to support you, your staff, and your patients.
Ovation Medical Support, how may I help you?
Our support line is staffed with trained
Mr. Smith,
experts
I understand.
specialized in answering any questions you or your patients may have.
Start by wearing the brace for 30 minutes on the first day.
Ovation understands that economics matter. You simply can't provide free braces. The Game Changer is reimbursable and PDAC approved. The national Medicare reimbursement averages approximately $850. So the question is not, why would you apply the Game Changer in the office? It's how can you refuse? Together, let's help your patients live their best lives.
Come on, Grandpa.
Oh, yeah, look at that doggy. What a good boy. Anybody want to give him a treat? Okay.
Ovation Medical. Inspired innovation, modern design, superior results.